We are here to celebrate the work that we are doing together with everyone in our network. We continuously talk about building a world where everyone is a change maker. And the understanding for this, comes from the work that we've seen, some really amazing men and women that have been elected as Ashoka Fellows. And so today, as we celebrate the graduates in East Africa, we have reached a milestone of having elected 100 fellows.
I want to say congratulations to the Visionary Program graduates. You've added on to the number of change makers. Congratulations to the Ashoka Fellows here and the ones that are not here for the work that they've done and for this milestone. We are on an audacious mission to build a world where everyone is a change maker. So everyone here in this room has an opportunity to be part of that vision. Whether you've been in the Visionary Program, whether you've not been in the Visionary Program, whether you're an Ashoka Fellow or a partner or aspiring partner, there's a place for you in this movement. One key insight for Ashoka is that for us to be able to really accelerate the vision, because it's an audacious mission, we need to identify people we call sector leaders. People that in one way or another have been able to transform their fields at the continental or global level and bring them to join all the other people we have in the network to bring their insights, their expertise, their skills.
If you're in a position of leadership, getting to a point where you deeply get to understand that it's just not about the position, the title, it demands something of you. And what it demands of you is that you start moving barriers for others also to find their brilliance, find their superpower, to do what they need to do.
So either you are the next generation of change makers or you're nurturing the next generation of change makers. There's a place for you in this movement.
To the Ashoka East Africa team, Ifra, Paris, Vincent, but Ifra, great job. Congratulations for the great job that you have continued to do. And let's get it to 200 by the end of next year.
Please, a round of applause. Please, let's appreciate it.
You know, it's such an honor to stand here today and celebrate a true milestone of 100 Ashoka Fellows in East Africa. These are 100 bold ideas, 100 change makers, 100 individuals who chose empathy over indifference, who chose courage over convenience, and solutions over despair.
Ruth Soy did an excellent job. You can see we didn't turn out badly. We turned out quite well. And I can tell you, one of the most difficult things to do was to conduct this course virtually. But we all looked forward to it. And it came out wonderfully. When we eventually met, you know, it's like we had known each other for many years because we had been interacting so often. Congratulations.
I'm really excited to be graduating. It really has been an incredible journey. Joined Ashoka in 2019, November, so I'm clocking 6 years. Just clap for me.
We're celebrating the leaders who transformed education, who transformed health, gender equity, climate, agriculture, digital access, peace building, human rights, among many other sectors. We celebrate those who lifted others with them, creating spaces for youth, women, people living at the margins and entire communities to find their voices and shape their own future.
I'm honestly blessed to have met every single one of you. You honestly made my job very easy. I got to learn from all of you. I got to build relationships beyond the work that I do at Ashoka. I got challenged, and I'm really appreciative of that journey and of the Visionary Program.
A round of applause, appreciate.
To the 100 fellows, thank you. Thank you for your courage. Thank you for reminding us every day that systems change is not an abstract theory. It's a lived commitment. You are transforming how societies work, how decisions are made, and how possibilities imagined. Thank you very much.
Our organizations, our companies, our communities, our country, and that's how we can transform the continent and the world. Stay in the game.